Okay, today, today, guys, systems of inequalities, which like a system of equations, but it's got the inequality signs here, greater than or and equal to. So two questions you're going to get asked is, first off, you're going to ask, is a point a solution? So is -9, 10 a solution to this system? And you just got to plug it into check and see if it makes them true. And it has to make both of them true. So we're going to check both, each one at a time. So plug in -9 for X and 10 for Y. So I'll put the 10 there. Put the -9 to -9 -3. And then I'm going to also plug it in over here, 10 for Y and -9 for the X. See if these are both true. If they're both true, then it is a solution. So this is 9 minus 3, 10 greater than or equal to 6. Yes. So you do need to show this out on your homework there to get credit. Check this one too. 1/3 of -9. You could multiply that out. 1/3 times -9 over 1, which is, cancel that down. It's just going to be -3 over 1. And greater than or equal to -2. And that one is also true. So since both of these are true, the answer is yes, it is a solution. If one of them wasn't true, it wouldn't be. Okay, they both need to be true for this to be a solution. It has to work in both, in other words. Okay, and then the other thing, we'll be graphing it. Pretty simple. It's just like graphing a linear equation. Slope of -1, y-intercept of -3. So do your y-intercept at -3 and do a slope of -1, which is going to be down 1 over 1. Okay, there, down 1 over 1. Okay, if you might remember, since it's a greater than or equal to, we're going to do a solid line. So a solid line going through there. Okay, and then this one here, slope of 1/3, y-intercept of 1. Intercept there at 1, slope of 1/3, so up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3 would be there. Solid line again because it was greater than or equal to. If it didn't have the equal to on there, it would be a dotted line, you might remember, okay? But since these had the equal to part, you do a solid line. And then since it's greater, that means shade above. Oops, up here. So shade above this line, greater than means shade above. Y is greater means above this line. If it was less than, it would be below. So we got shade where it's above this line and above that line. Okay, above meaning on this side. So it's on this, we're going above this line. So we could shade up above this line. But we also want to go up above this line. Okay, so there's basically 4 areas here. Which area is shaded above both lines, okay? So again, if I shade it here above that line and I shade it here above this line, the part that's getting double shaded is actually this. So this is the solution. Any point in here will solve this. So notice -9, 10, okay, -9, 10 would be up here. Well, it would be in this shaded area. Another solution would be 0, say 2, okay? So for example, 0, 2 is a solution. Okay, so there's infinite solutions. Any point in this shaded area will solve this out.